Update from Lifetime Commercial Roofing. Welcome to the new home of LCR. Been here for about a month now working on the build, and finally we have purchased our own office and warehouse. It's been a dream of Joel Webb for a long time. Hopefully we'll be in the next couple months. So if you're wondering where we've been, this is where we're at. Let's go take a look at these guys doing some work. Trying to build a lot of this in-house. How we doing, Ben?
Hey, it's hot. All right, so we have a CMU concrete building with no insulation. We're taking 2-inch iso boards, the stuff that we put on roofs as well. It's a good R factor. And we are gluing it with self-rise adhesive. On the back, we're stripping it in, and then we're gonna use 1.5-inch metal studs, and then we'll put sheetrock. So when this is all done, it's actually gonna look fit and right. You know what I'm saying?
What building is this?
This is Lifetime Commercial Roofing's building, you know what I'm saying?
All right.
All right, yeah.
Anything to say?
I was guilty. Lifetime Commercial Roofing.